Hi guys, this is Sam from UberDriverNow.com. Just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys what kind of car you can drive in LA for Uber. Since I live in LA, I'm gonna show you guys about Los Angeles, and maybe if you want me to cover any other city, you can let me know in the comments. So the vehicle requirements in Los Angeles, it's basically it can be older than 15 years old. So in 2019, since it's 2019 right now, 15 years could be 2004 and newer, which is not bad at all. So if you have a car that's 2004 and older, you're good to go. Must be a 4-door, must be in good condition with no cosmetic damage, no commercial branding, and it must pass a vehicle inspection. We'll cover another video about vehicle inspection in detail. As far as cosmetic guidelines are concerned, there should not be any full body wraps containing ads or anything like that. There can't be any holes in the exterior. No taxi decals or taxi style paint. No significant damage to interior such as torn seats or large stains or bad smells in the car. No paint oxidation, which is rust. No different colored hoods and doors. No aftermarket modifications, and the window tinting must be within acceptable California regulations. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and tap on that logo at the bottom right hand corner of the screen to subscribe, and check out my other video on the screen, and there'll be a lot more useful content to come in the future. So stay tuned guys, and I'll see you guys next time.